Hoo-hoo-hoo! Guys, we got all kinds of good stuff here. Erin Condren Warehouse Sale, what is up? All right, so welcome to my channel, my friends. If you are new here, get down there and subscribe. If you are not new, thanks for coming and checking out this freaking haul. I am missing one box. The last order. Yeah, because you know, I mean, who really knows that we want all this stuff until we place like 3 or 4 orders, right? All right, so let's get to it. Like I said, if you're not subscribed already, get down there because you are going to want to see what I do with all of this jazz. All right, so the thing I think I was probably the most excited about because my husband and I were moving, okay? We're moving into our wonderful house that we are in right now, and I missed this box. It wasn't on my radar. I didn't realize it till it was too late, and I have been so envious of this cup that I'm even standing here right now thinking about, should I order another one? It's got some soft, sexy feet on the bottom. I mean, it clearly is a quality item, and I freaking love it. And I'm so, so happy that I am now in the club of people that have one. So, given the fact that this was $6, yeah, I mean, I think I want 5 more. So, there's that. Next up, I did get a, the notebook. I mean, oh my gosh, really, Sarah? So this is just one of the exclusive notebooks, but how springy, vibrant, and gorgeous is this? So yes, it's just a lined notebook, but no, I don't need another notebook. Am I thinking about getting another one because the colors are so pretty? Yes. It was, I don't even know how much it was, just a couple bucks, like $9, I think. I'll post all the prices on here as I go because I want to quickly film this and get this up so that if there's any last minute things that you want from that sale, you can get them. So gorgeous. I mean, it's a lined notebook and it's freaking stunning. They won't have this again. Okay. So there you go. Courage, Strength, and Love, exclusive cover as well. And yes, it does go on and off. Okay. It is interchangeable, as they say. So that would be a nice interchangeable cover with this one. I believe this is the Paisley one. I always wanted this one in the white. I never got it. And guess what? I got it now. I've always loved this one. I love the colorway. I don't care for the darker version of this, but guess what? That's why I got it in the lighter color. So here it is. The pattern does extend into the inside, which is something that, you know, I absolutely love. And then there is the gorgeous back. The personalization on this is just your initials. So that's what I did. They did me. SP. Sarah Plans. How funny. All right. Next up. I just felt like this was too good of a deal to pass up. I don't care for the binder system that much, but at the same time, I only got the monthly. So am I taking full advantage of it? No, not at all. But I figured since these were on the cheap, I would grab a pack of classic lined note pages and also a pack of the productivity pages. They were like $5. And that is worth it in my book to get them, you know what I mean? So I do have a binder and I will be putting them in there for possibly later use. I mean, you never do know. I may find that I do love the binder. I really wanted to use the daily thing, like get the dailies, and I should have a long time ago, but at this point I'm just gonna see what comes out with the new release in May. So yeah. This is one of those sticker books. For me, you just literally cannot have enough of them. I know you can see what's here on the back, but if you're not familiar with this, this is called the designer sticker book. I thought it had another name. I was like, I don't know. This just says the designer sticker book, but this is the monthly collection. Okay, so what do I mean monthly collection? Well, I mean there's a page for every month, folks. And they pretty much jive with the Erin Condren colors. And there's some real cute stuff in here. I mean, that was March. This is what's coming up in April. I do have another one of these books, and I'm going to use the stuff out of it. May, gorgeous. I mean, seriously, gorgeous. June, like I said, they match the Erin Condren colors, and they give you just some ditties to use and vibe with. So they come out with one, I think, each year, and I love them. So this is not the only one that I have. I have to tell you that I do have another one in the package. So yeah, I'm a hoarder. All right. Okay, I do have a couple more things here. So I think I had one of these a long time ago, which you actually will see soon. And I wasn't in a good place in my life to be able to use it, but I really liked it. I remember really, really liking it. So at this price, it was like 20 bucks, maybe even a little cheaper. I couldn't pass it up. So I love the rose gold. I am a hoe for rose gold, and nothing about that will ever change. Now, life planner, vertical layout. This is the one. I already have an hourly planner, so I wasn't about to go and get the hourly. But I thought it was neutral. That would be a good vibe for me to get started on and see if I really do like it. So, I mean, it's a vertical planner. You know what I mean? There's nothing crazy fancy about this, except it was on the cheap, and that's why I got it. Because now's the time when they're 50% off to try a new layout that you haven't used, since it was the only layout that Erin Condren offered. As soon as they offered horizontal, I dove right in. So now, I know you guys are going to laugh at me, but I told you in my last haul video that I always buy these. And guess what? I wasn't lying. I'm constantly using softbound notebooks, and, well, this one is no exception. So it's flower power, it's productivity, and I feel like if it's not dot grid, productivity is my second favorite. Last but not least, oh, how sexy is this? All right, so I do have one of these covers, but this, I put that sucker on and off so many times, and I have had this since, like, God only knows when. Let's see. I know it's in here. I had a hard time getting it on. At least I think it's in here. There it is. Ta-da. So I have had this. Look, it is literally peeling apart. That's how much I loved this cover. Okay. It is bubbling. This thing was used and abused, and now I have one that's giving me second life. So if I really feel like I need my name on it, I mean, look at that. That's awesome. I mean, you know I use the sucker if it looks like that. So I didn't want my name on this one. I thought that was hot. She who dares wins. Boom. All right, guys. So just real quick haul just to let you get your eyes on some of the stuff that is in the sale. They have added some new stuff, and seriously, I'm about to go and buy a couple meal planners because I use the hell out of those. And for freaking $7, man, I could get 2, and like that would be a smart purchase. So I think I am going to do that. If you have any other recommendations, get down below. Let's see what's in my other box. The loungewear pants are in there, the neutral loungewear. I did get the Flower Power puzzle. I got another pack of cards because I think that they're awesome and I don't want to not have them. And something else, probably a productivity, probably one of these, but I don't remember what it was. All right, guys. So thanks for checking it out. I hope this was nice and quick for you. And let me know down below, what did you get that you are like so pumped about? Now that I opened this, I'm pretty freaking pumped about this, but I still got to tell you, this is the thing. So maybe I'll get another one and some meal planning journals. All right. With all that said, see you on the flip side. Thanks for sticking around. Give this a thumbs up if you do so wish to, and subscribe. Make good choices, party animals. Go check out that sale. See what last purchase you can make. Be good people. Peace.